Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid for your logo in Illustrator. First, open Illustrator and navigate to the Preferences menu. Here, you will find the Guides and Grid section. This is where we will customize our grid to provide a structured foundation for your logo design. Setting up your grid correctly is the first crucial step towards achieving a balanced and professional-looking logo. Now, let's dive into customizing your grid. In the Guides and Grid preferences, set grid line every to a value like 100 points. Then, define subdivisions to 10 for more detailed control. You can also select a grid color that stands out against your design. Remember to enable Snap to Grid from the View menu. This feature will automatically align your shapes and paths to the grid lines, ensuring perfect precision. With your custom grid in place, you can now begin designing your logo with precision. Start by using basic geometric shapes like squares, circles, and triangles, aligning them perfectly to the grid intersections. The Pathfinder panel is your friend for combining or subtracting these shapes. The grid helps you maintain consistent spacing and proportions, which are essential for a professional and visually appealing logo. As you near completion, take time to refine your logo. Review it carefully for any slight misalignments or inconsistencies that might have occurred. Make small adjustments to individual elements, always keeping the grid structure in mind. Temporarily hide the grid to view your logo in isolation, ensuring it stands strong on its own. Finally, export your polished logo in various formats, ready for use across all your branding needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.